Hello! Today's DIY is my daughter's costume for United Nations organization or UNO event at school. My color mood for this costume is white and light blue, so when I search for countries that match that color motif or the ocean theme, I like El Salvador. Their country is known for Pacific Ocean beaches and surf spots. I love the concepts of these two costumes, so I combined them, and this is what I've made for my daughter's UNO costume. I'm using white leotards for the top, and I found this organza fabric with blue embroidery and sequin designs. Designing your clothes or gowns with studs or sequins or beads is a tedious process, but I found an easier and quicker way. Instead of sewing the sequins individually into the leotards, I cut the embroidered sequin designs from the blue organza fabric, and after that, you will have something similar to sequin patches. Decide how you make your design by arranging your patches. Move this, move that, then attach them onto the leotards by sewing or using a fabric glue. Make sure that before using the fabric glue, insert a sheet of paper in your leotards so the front won't stick to the other side. Next part, create a circle skirt. To give you an idea, for example, this paper is your fabric. Fold it 3 times. Measure the length of your skirt. For my daughter's costume, I want to utilize the whole length of the fabric, so I based on the shorter side of the fold. Cut an arc shape for the hemline. Then cut another arc at the pointed edge. It will be the waistline. On my first cut of the arcs, I couldn't get a circle shape because I didn't make measurements. So I tried again, and here it is. Once you have your circle skirt, finish the hems by sewing them. And again, I use sequin patches for the circle skirt design. It's really up to you how to embellish your costume, so use whatever you have like trimmings, patches, furs, etc. Here, I attach the silver trimmings at the hemline. For the waistline, sew the edges neatly. I know mine is not neatly done. Measure the length of the waist, and the width is about 2 inches. Cut the fabric. This is for your waistband. Then fold it lengthwise, wrong sides together, and also fold the edges for ½ centimeter. You can iron the folds to make it easier. Pin to the waistline of the circle skirt, then sew. You can attach a zipper and fastener at the back. For the headdress, check the description box below for the DIY video link. And here she is, wearing the unique costume for El Salvador. I also added feathered armbands. My daughter represents El Salvador while my son is Brazil. So again, check the description box for the links. See you in the next video. Thanks!